This platform is the place to go to be able to get fully educated about the opportunities in manufacturing, to understand the scope of manufacturing in the state of Connecticut, to understand the resources that are available, and to be able to keep students engaged with manufacturing and really get them to be continue to be involved, and then to be able to consider some of the choices that we have for an education in manufacturing or engineering or the other disciplines that we need in manufacturing as well. So this website will be the central source where we'll be able to send everybody right to that website to get all the information they need to make sure that they have an outstanding career in manufacturing. Second, for educators, I'd encourage you to get out and visit some of our great manufacturers. You know, we're not what you think we are. We're not dark, dirty, and dangerous. Connecticut is clean, green, efficient. Our work floors are air conditioned. They're really, really great. We have great technologies and advanced technologies here in the state. And we have some really, really smart people working in manufacturing. So if you ever have the opportunity, and any manufacturer would love to host you, get out and visit one of your local manufacturers, see what their operation is, talk to their people, and really get an understanding of what tremendous careers are available in manufacturing here in Connecticut.